Hai, nama saya Solomon bin Philip, nomor matriks 07 DKE 18F2025. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan design of continuous beam flange section. Dimension: span L sama dengan 5.00 meter, width B sama dengan 4.00 meter, slab thickness sama dengan 110 mm, beam size sama dengan 225 kali 500 mm. Characteristics, loads, finishes, etc. GK sama dengan 2.25 kN meter persegi. Variables QK sama dengan 3.5 kN meter persegi. Materials, unit weight of concrete sama dengan 25 kN meter padu. Characteristics, strength of concrete FCK sama dengan 30 Newton millimeter persegi. Characteristics, strength of steel FYK sama dengan 500 Newton millimeter persegi. Characteristics, strength of link FYK sama dengan 500 Newton millimeter persegi. Nominal concrete cover sama dengan 30 mm. Assume bar 1 sama dengan 20 mm, bar 2 sama dengan 16 mm, link sama dengan 6 mm. Calculation beam 1AD. Effective flange width BW sama dengan 225 mm, HF sama dengan 110 mm, H sama dengan 500 mm, B1 sama dengan 1887.5 mm, B2 sama dengan 0, LO sama dengan 0.7, L sama dengan 0.7, darab 5000 sama dengan 3500, BV sama dengan 0.2 BI tambah 0.1 LO lebih besar daripada 0.2 LO. 0.2 BI tambah 0.1 LO sama dengan 727.5 sama lebih besar daripada 700. Use 700 mm. Effective flange width BF sama dengan BF tambah BW lebih besar daripada B sama dengan 700 tambah 225 sama dengan 925. Span AB. NCD LO sama dengan 0.85, L sama dengan 0.85, darab 5000 sama dengan 4250 mm. BIF sama dengan 800, lebih kecil daripada 850. Use 800 mm sama dengan 800 tambah 250 sama dengan 1050, lebih kecil daripada 2125. Actions. Action on slab. Serve weight sama dengan 0.11 darab 25 sama dengan 2.75 kN meter persegi. Finishes etc. GK sama dengan 2.25 kN meter persegi. Characteristics permanent load GK sama dengan 5.00 kN meter persegi. Characteristic variable load QK sama dengan 3.50 kN millimeter persegi. Total 8.50 kN millimeter persegi. Calculation. Action on beam 1AD. Distribution of action from slabs to beam are as follow. Panel 1AD. Characteristics permanent action. WO sama dengan BW, H tolak HF darab 25 sama dengan 0.225 darab dalam kurungan 0.5 tolak 011 darab 25 sama dengan 2.19 kN meter. W1 sama dengan BUN LX sama dengan 0.57 darab 5.00 darab 4.00 GK. sama dengan 11.4 kN meter. Total GK sama dengan 13.59 kN meter. Characteristics variable action W1 sama dengan BV NLX sama dengan 0.57 darab 3.50 darab 4.00 sama dengan 7.98 kN meter. W2 BV NLX sama dengan 0.57 darab 3.50 darab 4.00 sama dengan 7.98 kN meter. Total QK sama dengan 15.96 kN meter. Design load which sama dengan 1.35 GK tambah 1.5 QK sama dengan dalam kurungan 1.35 darab 13.59 darab 13.59 tambah dalam kurungan 1.5 darab 15.96. Total sama dengan 42.29 kN meter. Analysis continuous beam with equal spans, uniform action and QK, GK, use moment and shear coefficient from table 3.14 BS 8110 part 1 1997. Shear force 0.45 F, 0.55 F, 0.6 F, 0.6 F, 0.55 F, 0.45 F. Bending moment 0.11 FL, 0.11 FC, 0.09 FL, 0.07 FL, 0.09 FL. Reinforcement concrete structure capacity. Kami mendapat VRD max sama dengan 320 kN, data 22 darjah sama dengan 464 kN, data sama dengan 45 darjah. Support AD VED sama dengan 95 kN, VRD max COT data 2.5 sama dengan 320 kN, VRD max code data 1.0 sama dengan 464 kN. Additional longitudinal reinforcement, additional tensile force FTD sama dengan 117.8 kN, Mat max SREX sama dengan 271 mm. Deflection check its span AB, percentage of required tension reinforcement P sama dengan 0.005. Vector for structural system X sama dengan 1.3. Modification factor for span greater than 7 meter sama dengan 1.0 sama dengan 7 bagi 8 sama dengan 7/8 sama dengan 0.88. This is calculation detailing. Thank you.
Hello, nama saya Siti Nurziana binti Akbar. Nomor matriks 07 DKE 18 F2071. Saya akan mengambil bahagian dalam pengiraan beam elastic analysis. Ini merupakan pengiraan loading on slab. Untuk self weight pula, kami dapat 2.75 kNm², dan permanent load dia 2.25 kNm², GK dia 5.00 kNm², QK dia 3.5 kNm². Bagi pengiraan load cases pula terdapat dua pengiraan, iaitu W1 dan W2, maksimum dan minimum. Bagi maksimum pula kami dapat 64.52 kNm dan minimum dia kami dapat 37.58 kNm. Bagi moment of inertia pula, kami dapat 2.34 darab 10 kuasa 9 mm kuasa 4. Dan bagi pengiraan stiffness pula, K1 hingga 2, kami dapat 4.39 darab 10 kuasa 5 mm kuasa 2. Dan K2 hingga 3, kami dapat 2.93 darab 10 kuasa 5 mm kuasa 3. Distribution factor pula, join 1, F1 hingga 2, kami dapat 1.00, F2 hingga 1 kami dapat 0.60, F2 hingga 3 kami dapat 0.40, manakala join ketiga F3 hingga 2 kami dapat 1.00. Dan ini merupakan pengiraan case 1, fix in moment dia, M1 hingga 2 kami dapat 86.03 kNm, M2 hingga 3 kami dapat 193.56 kNm. Bagi moment distribution case 1, vektor 0.60 kami dapat 225.8, manakala vektor 0.40 kami dapat negatif 225.8. Bagi case 2 pula, fix in moment dia, M1 hingga 2 kami dapat 86.03 kNm, M2 hingga 3 kami dapat 112.74 kNm. Bagi moment distribution dia, vektor bagi 0.60 kami dapat 153.09 dan vektor 0.40 kami dapat negatif 153.09. Bagi shear force case 2, V1 hingga 2 kami dapat 90.77 kN, V2 hingga 1 kami dapat 167.31 kN, dan V2 hingga 3 kami dapat 138.26 kN, V3 hingga 2 kami dapat 87.22 kN. Bagi case 3, fix in moment dia M1 hingga 2 kami dapat 50.11 kNm, M2 hingga 3 kami dapat 193.56 kNm, dan moment distribution bagi vektor 0.60 kami dapat 204.27 dan vektor bagi 0.40 kami dapat negatif 204.27. Bagi shear force case 3, V1 hingga 2 dia dapat 24.09 kN dan V2 hingga 1 dia dapat 126.23 kN. Dan bagi V2 hingga 3 dapat 239.27 kN dan V3 hingga 2 dapat 147.85 kN. Dan ini pula merupakan gambar raja shear force dan bending moment bagi elastic analysis. Model ini merupakan kerangka model bagi beam elastic analysis. Bahan-bahan yang digunakan dalam menghasilkan model ini adalah menggunakan cardboard, dawai besi, dan superglue bond PVA.
Selamat sejahtera, saya Najiha Jamal, Cardmatrix 07 di KA18F2051. In this video, I will present about slab. Location of slab is all slab panels. Panel 1, analysis slab, Ly over Lx, 500 over 400, we got 1.25. That means two-way slab. For case 4, two adjacent edge discontinuous. Slab design, floor, first floor, location 1 to 2 or A to B. Specification, characteristic action, permanent GK 2.25 kN per square, variable QK 3.5 kN per meter square, design life 50 years, fire resistant R60, exposure classes XC1, and materials. For FCK, we got 30 Newton per millimeter square, FYK 500 Newton per millimeter square, and for unit weight of reinforced concrete, we got 25 kilonewton per meter square. For diameter bar is 10 millimeter. Design slab panel A to B, long LY 500, LX 400, LY over LX 1.25. It's smaller than 2.0, that means it's two-way slab. For slab thickness, minimum thickness for fire resistant is 80 mm, and the H is 400 over 30. We got 133.33 millimeter, and with dry H is 135 millimeter. For durability, fire and bond requirement, cement B, we got 10 millimeter, cement durability 15 millimeter, and A 10 millimeter. For cement, 10 minus 0.5 we multiply to 10, we got 5 millimeter. For CNOM, we got 25 millimeter. Action on slab, safe weight 0.135 multiply 25, we got 3.38 kilonewton per meter square, and for permanent load 2.25 kilonewton per meter square, and characteristic permanent action GK 5.633 kilonewton meter square, and QK 3.50 kilonewton per meter square. For design action ND, we got 12.85 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, next is analysis. For case 4, two adjacent edges H discontinuous. For short span LX, MSX1, we got 10.49 kilonewton meter per meter, and MXX2, we got 14.19 kilonewton meter per meter. And for long span MSY1, we got 7.00 kilonewton meter per meter, and MSY2, we got 9.25 kilonewton meter per meter. And for main reinforcement effective depth DX, we got 105 millimeter, and DY we got 95 millimeter. And minimum and maximum reinforcement area 160 millimeter square per meter, and AS max we got 5,400 millimeter square per meter. And secondary bar H10 to 425, we use 185 millimeter square per meter. For short span, mid span MSX1, we got 10.49 kilonewton per meter. In K, we got 0.032, smaller than 0.167. Compression reinforcement is not required. AS, we got 241.75 millimeter square per meter, and we use 262 millimeter square per meter. For support MSX2 is 14.19 kilonewton per meter. K, we got 0.043, smaller than 0.767. And for compression reinforcement is not required. AS, we got 327.02 millimeter square per meter, and we use 349 millimeter square per meter. For long span, mid span MSY1 is 7.00 kilonewton meter per meter. K, we get 0.026 smaller than 0.767, and compression reinforcement is not required. AS, we get 178.30 millimeter square per meter, and we use 262 millimeter square per meter. And for MSY2, we get 9.25 kilonewton meter per meter. K is 0.034 smaller than 0.767 smaller than 0.167, and compression reinforcement is not required. We got 235.02, and we use 262 millimeter square per meter. And for shear force, short span VSX1, we get 25.7 kilonewton per meter, and VSX2 we get 16.96 kilonewton per meter. And for long span FSY1, we get 20.59 kilonewton per meter, and for VSY2 we get 13.36 kilonewton meter. Design shear force VED, we got 25.7 kilonewton, and K, we got 2.38 smaller than 2.0. For P1, we got 0.0033 smaller than 0.02. For VRDC, we got 51.1 kilonewton, and Vmin, we got 56.93 kilonewton. So VRDC is 45.1 kilonewton bigger than VED. For deflection, percentage of required tension reinforcement P is 0.0023, and reference reinforcement ratio is PO is 0.0055, and for factor structural system K is 1.3. For medication factor for span less than 7 meter is 1.00. For cracking, H is 135 mm smaller than 200 mm, and for main bar X maximum slabs, 3H is smaller than 400 mm, and for max bar spacing we got 300 mm. For secondary bar, S max slabs 3.5H smaller than 450 mm, and max bar spacing is 425 mm. So this is the detailing of slab. The dimension is LX 4000 mm, and for long span LY 5000 mm, and for thickness H is 135 mm, and concrete cover is 25 mm. For next is the modeling. The slab modeling, we use cardboard and steel string for our materials, and the dimension is 15 cm for the width, and height is 2 cm.
Hello, my name is Sumianti with metric card number 07DKA18F2050. So I'm going to present about column design. In column design, we have to find about the axial load and moment in column. So the first that we have to find is loading analysis for beam at roof. So the beam self-weight is 0.225 times 0.5 times 25 equal to 2.81 kN per meter. And the load on beam for first and ground floor distribution of load from slab to beam are as follows. In panel A, 1 to 2 is 5 per 4 equal to 1.25. So it's smaller than 2.0, so that we got is two-way slab. And the shear coefficient that we got is BV equal to 0.33. In panel 1, A to B is 5 per 4, so we got is 1.25, smaller than 2.0, so it was two-way slab. And the shear coefficient that we got is BV 0.33. Next is we will find about the characteristic permanent load. So first is beam self-weight. WO that we got is 2.19 and W1 that we got is 6.660. So the total sum is 8.79, which is the GK. Next is we have to find about the characteristic variable load. A1 to 2 is W1 is we got 4.62 kN per meter. So the QK that we got is 4.62 kN per meter. So the total design load on beam at A1 to 2 is W 1.35 GK plus 1.5 QK, which is 18.80 kN per meter. In characteristic permanent load at 1 per A to B is beam self-weight. WO that we got is 2.19 and W1 that we got is 8.25. The total that we got is 10.44, which is the GK. And the characteristic variable load at 1 A to B is W1 is 5.78 kN per meter. So the QK that we got is 5.78 kN per meter. So the total design load on beam at 1A to B is W 1.35 GK plus 1.5 QK is 22.76 kN per meter. So next is we have to find about the NED. So the beam at roof is shear force at A1 to 2 is 5.62 kN and the shear force at 1A to B is 7.03 kN. So the beam at first floor shear force at A1 to 2 is 37.6 kN and the shear force at 1A to B is 56.9 kN. So the roof to first floor is the column self-weight is 1.35 0.28 times 0.35 times 4.0 times 25 is 13.22. So the beam A1 to 2 is 5.62. Beam 1A to B is 7.03 kN. So the total is 25.88 kN. So it was the NED from first floor to roof. And next is the first floor to ground floor. So the load from above is 25.88 kN and the beam at A1 to 2 is 37.60 kN and the beam 1A to B is 56.90 kN. So the column self-weight that we got is 13.83 kN. So the NED from ground floor to first floor is 133.61 kN. So we got NED is 133.61 kN. After we got about the axial load and moment in column, so that we can design of non-slender column when about measure exists. So the axial force NED that we got is 133.61 kN. So the specification about the design of the non-slender column is concrete FCK with 30 N per millimeter square, reinforcement FYK with 500 N per millimeter square, exposure class HS XC1, fire resistance 1.0 hours, size B times H is 275 times 350 millimeter. So the effective length is diameter length is 6 meter and diameter base is 20 millimeter. And the durability, bond and fire resistance is C min B is 20 mm and C min durability is 15 mm and the ASD is 36 mm and the C min that we got is 20 mm and the C norm that we got is 30 mm. So we use C norm with 30 mm. And the design of moment is MED we got 25.59 and the M minimum that we got is 2.67 kN meter. Next is the reinforcement. Reinforcement that we got is D2 per H is 0.13 and the NBH-FCK is 0.046 and M per BH2 FCK is 0.03. Since the calculation for N per BH FCK and M BH2 FCK does not intersect on the design chart, therefore AS min was used as column reinforcement. AS minimum that we got is 30.71 mm square or 192.5 and the AS max that we got is 3850 mm square. So we use 4H10 which is the 314 mm square and the link diameter minimum is the larger of we got 2.75 mm and the SV max the lesser of we got 200 at section 300 mm below and above beam and lap joint SV max is 0.6 times 200 we got 120 mm. So we use H for 120 mm. The last that I'm going to talk about is our model of column. In our model, material that we use is the first is our use cardboard and second is we use steel string and the last one that we use is fishing string. So the next is the height of column is 15 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter and the distance frame from each link is 2 centimeter and the footing width with 6 times 6 centimeter with height 2 centimeter. So that was our model of column. Thank you very much.